Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in number analogy. See friends, here we have three rows and that means three sets. These three sets follow the same pattern. These three sets, the sets given in the first row, second row and third row follow the same pattern. So according to the pattern, which number will replace the question mark? See friends, if you look at the first row, 8 into 3 plus 1. 8 into 3 plus 1, 8 3 is 24 plus 1 25. 25 plus 28 53. The same way similarly 7 3 is 21 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22. 22 plus 25 47. So 13 3s 39 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. 13 3 is 39 plus 1 40. 40 plus 43 83. 83 will replace the question mark friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.